Alright guys, so today we're going to work on the flat bar to get the plate mounted for Project Bobby B. So we're going to see, maybe we do something like this. No, because this is the front bumper right here. It's going to be in the way. So I can't lay it flat, I don't think. It sticks out. So I am going to have to cut it, and it's going to be started on one end, and then on the other end, kind of like that. It's going to look good though.
Take pictures of me.
Take pictures of you?
Yeah.
Is that good? You have boogers. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the flat toe brackets. Let's go and get the pins out of the way. We don't need those right now. Let's get the other one out of the way. Don't you take those, I need them. Hope you guys can see because I sure can't with the camera right in my face. Alright, let's see what size wrench we need. I think it's going to be a 3/4. Perfect. Seems to be. Let's see if we can get her on in there. Of course, wait. Lefty loosey. Oh, I need something else to hold her steady. Let's go find another 3/4. We're gonna get these guys out of the way for now. Don't need them. I just gotta remember where. Here you are. Large adjustable. Uh-oh. First one off, you can see where these have been drilled in there. These like this to make the I guess the tow bar work. It's a workout, I'll tell you that. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. We're not gonna let you fall. Lane, go get the mail.
Here's some water.
All right, I got that off. So just to be safe, we're gonna cut a fair amount here. Let's get my pencil. Here it is. Yeah, my 70s glasses. That's cool. Layton, you like this? Or you wanna hold this camera for me? Make it 7 inches. Right down. We're gonna cut that. Gonna look just like this, and we should be able to drill out the mounting holes for the other guy right here. Hopefully, if it plays out right. Let's go ahead and get the second one cut out. Alright, so the most important part about this is hard pressure and lubrication, so you don't ruin the bit. And you don't want to go too fast. You want low torque, or high torque, low speed. So what I did is initially I put the bracket over it, I dropped some oil in there, I'm gonna put a little more on right there in my little recess, and it's good. just a little bit.
Yeah?
And you put it back on there, and we push down pretty hard. And we are digging. The big chunks are good. Next one, get some more oil in. And let's get going. Praying to God this fits. It might be a little bit off. Uh-oh. Might have to do some work here.
I think you're on it.
She fits. So let's go mock this up here real quick for the first one. Ouch. So what we're gonna do is I want to this way. Something right here. Alright, so we got it mounted up. This is what one side's gonna look like. Now we just gotta do the other. Alright. Time to what? Now we got our flat brackets fabbed. We're gonna loosely, as loose as we can, snug them up. Trace out an outline that will work for this guy. Let's just kind of see where it's going to sit. It's going to require be some manipulation involved for sure. It's going to have to bend. Maybe what I should have done is drilled into this thing. That sucks. I don't think my I don't think my brackets are gonna work. It's kind of a rounded shape, so it's almost like it'd be better just to do it down here. It'd be easier too. Probably look better. Hate to say it. Definitely hate to say it after putting in this work. All right. Drilling into the car. how's that look? How's that look? That does look awesome. Some of you are gonna hate that, but honestly, for now, I love it. I'm just gonna leave it. Well, guys, it's not exactly how I wanted to mount it, but I still like the way it looks. I think it looks good. I literally just drilled into the bumper piece there. It's pretty thick metal, and it's contoured just like the bar itself. And so I think it looks pretty good. And we will figure out a better way later. But for now, that'll do. And yep. I like it. And then the flat toe bars sticking out underneath are gonna look really cool once I get some more bolts for the other one. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Please click like and subscribe. And let me know if you hate it. Let me know. If you hate it, let me know. If you love it, let me know. Let me know what you think, guys. Project Bobby B.